Thank you, Reverend Inaselli. The Pledge of Allegiance will be led today by Anthony B. Covington, Jr., the son of our state's attorney. Anthony?
Loved one, please rise. Please cover your heart. Thank you very much. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
Thank you, Anthony. At this time, please welcome Charles County Commissioner Vice President Reuben B. Collins II for a special presentation. Commissioner Collins.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and friends. This investiture is a celebration, but at the same time, it's important for us to recognize 20 years of service for someone who was truly a public servant in this community. And I'm speaking of my first cousin, Mr. Leonard Collins. That's a joke. That's a joke. But as I was contemplating reading the proclamation, I wanted to think of something rather witty to say about Leonard Collins. And it dawned on me that Mr. Collins doesn't give you a lot of opportunities for those touchy-feeling type opportunities to express how you feel. But one thing I can say without a doubt, he is a prosecutor's prosecutor. This is someone who committed his entire career to serving this community. And for that, I think it's extremely important for us to recognize his years of service to this community. And so, on behalf of Charles County and the commissioners of Charles County, I'd like to read Proclamation 2010-97, and it's to Leonard C. Collins, Jr., State's Attorney. Whereas Leonard C. Collins, Jr. earned his Bachelor of Arts degree in government from the University of Notre Dame, his Juris Doctor degree from Catholic University, and was thereafter admitted to the Maryland Bar in 1979. Whereas Mr. Collins served as Assistant State's Attorney in Charles County from 1980 to 1989, was appointed by the judges of the Circuit Court to serve as State's Attorney in 1989, and was elected thereto for 5 terms by the citizens of Charles County and served through 2010. And whereas he was also admitted to the Supreme Court Bar in 1999, has served as a member of the Drug and Alcohol Abuse Council, the State Commission on Criminal Sentencing Policy, the State's Attorneys Coordination Council, is a member of the Maryland State's Attorneys Association and past member of the National District Attorneys Association. And whereas for over 30 years, Mr. Collins' professional career has been dedicated to the pursuit of vigorous and fair prosecution of criminal cases, service as an advocate for the rights of all victims, and promotion of the safety and well-being of the public. And whereas the County Commissioners of Charles County, Maryland, wish to recognize Leonard C. Collins, Jr. for his established honesty and integrity in fulfilling the responsibilities of the Office of State's Attorney, and for leading the way toward a productive partnership with the community and other agencies to prevent and suppress crime. Now therefore, we, the County Commissioners of Charles County, Maryland, do hereby extend our most sincere gratitude to Mr. Collins for his many years of service and commitment to the judicial system and to our county, and congratulate him on his well-deserved retirement with best wishes for many years of happiness and contentment. And this is signed by the County Commissioners of Charles County, Maryland, Candace Quinn Kelly, President, Reuben B. Collins, Vice President, Ken Robinson, Deborah Davis, Esquire, and Bobby Rucci.
Congratulations, Mr. Collins. Thank you, Commissioner Collins. I will now ask the Charles County Clerk of the Circuit Court, Sharon L. Hancock, to come forward and administer the oath of office to the Assistant State's Attorneys and Deputy State's Attorneys that will be serving Charles County for the foreseeable future. Ms. Hancock?
Thank you, and good afternoon. Would the following Assistant State's Attorneys please come forward? Jonathan Beatty, Rachel Dombrowski, Francis Granatus, Sophia Hollis, Constance Kopelman, Tiffany Rodenberger, John Stackhouse, Monique Stevenson, Anita Turner, and Jeremy Witter. Would you please raise your right hand and repeat after me? I, and state your name. Do swear or affirm. That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
And
that I will be faithful. And bear true allegiance. To the state of Maryland. And support the Constitution and laws thereof. And that I will, to the best of my skill and judgment. Diligently and faithfully. Without partiality or prejudice. Execute the office. Of Assistant State's Attorney. For Charles County. According to the constitutional laws of this state. Congratulations and best wishes to you. If I could have the following people come forward: Karen Piper and Jerome Spencer. Would you raise your right hand for me and repeat after me? I, and state your name.
I, Jerome Spencer.
Do swear or affirm.
Do swear.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
And that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance.
That I will be faithful and bear true allegiance.
To the state of Maryland.
To the state of Maryland.
And support the constitutional laws thereof.
And support the Constitution and laws thereof.
And that I will, to the best of my skill and judgment.
That I will, to the best of my skill and judgment.
Diligently and faithfully.
Diligently and faithfully.
Without partiality or prejudice.
Without partiality or prejudice.
Execute the office.
Execute the office.
Of Deputy State's Attorney.
Of Deputy State's Attorney.
For Charles County.
For Charles County.
According to the constitutional laws of this state.
According to the Constitution and laws of this state.
Congratulations, Deputy State's Attorneys.
Congratulations to the Assistant State's Attorneys and the Deputy State's Attorneys. I will now ask the Honorable Amy J. Burgunya, as Administrative Judge of the Charles County Circuit Court, to come forward to administer the oath of office to Anthony B. Covington, Charles County State's Attorney.
The clerk's office received a commission to Anthony Tony Covington of Walworth, Maryland. Greetings. Be it known that the people of Charles County, reposing great trust and confidence in your integrity and wisdom, did on the 2nd day of November 2000